Hi, this is Mike at Design Point Solutions. I just want to share with you a quick tip in SolidWorks Composer for using the rotate tool to make something rotate multiple times. And the way that we can do that is, the important thing is we're going to have our properties tab shown here as I do. And we want this drill bit to turn around a whole bunch of rotations between 1.5 seconds and 5 seconds. And so we'll go here to our 1.5 seconds. And let's choose all three of these parts because we want all three of those to rotate. We'll set our location key for the beginning, so that's where we want them to start. And we'll come out here to our 5-second mark. Now the trick I'm going to show you here only works with one part at a time, and then we'll do another little trick to help with that. So I'm going to select my drill bit. We're going to come up here to Transform, Rotate. I'm going to hold the Alt key to select my axis, and as I rotate here in my Properties tab, I get a window that gives me my degrees. This does not have to be between 0 and 360. So if I want this to turn 2500 degrees between that 1.5 seconds and 5 seconds, we'll put that in there, and you can see that Composer generated all of those keys at intervals to create that particular rotation. So now if we escape out of here, come back and play our animation, that drill bit's going to keep rotating from 1.5 seconds to 5 seconds for 2500 degrees. Now, really I wanted the chuck to also rotate with that. So something else that I can do here, and this is I could go and do the same thing for these other two parts, but this is a good example of where a parent-child relation comes in handy. So if I want these items to rotate the same as this item, I'm going to come up here to my link under my kinematic section. We'll say link child to parent. It's asking me to pick a child. We'll come up here and say this is going to be our child, and then the drill bit itself will be the parent. And then we can set another one. Come out here to this outer ring. Do the same thing. So now these are both children of the drill bit. If we go over to the assembly tab here, you can see here's my bit, here's the chuck collar. And so because of that, now escape out of there, we'll go ahead and play our animation. We didn't have to set any more rotate keys. It went ahead and took care of that for us. So just a couple of quick tips on using the rotate tool in SolidWorks Composer.